Okay, so we have our little wagon wheel here. Beautiful, again done with the First Impressions molds. So there's no brown like down over in this area, so why don't I just go ahead and prop it up right there. Perfect. Okay, then we've got, we have our horseshoes. These I think are a little big. I'm going to just use these two. So I have some silver dusting powder, and I'm just going to brush that right over the top. So I'm just dry brushing it. Okay, so this is a non-toxic dusting powder. It actually helps if I would have done the chocolate instead of using the white coating chocolate, if I would use the make it gray and then dust over it, you'll get a nicer silver color. But sometimes you just want to do everything in white. So we'll lean this up against the boot. We have one more. And we'll have this one that way over here. Okay, so I need to glue that on there. We'll put it right up against that cactus there. Then we'll put some more buttercream down here to secure it. Another thing you can do if you need to transport this any distance, you can take some more of the coating chocolate and actually glue the horseshoe to the fence if you need to. Okay, other things, we have the little barrel. So I did this in the white fondant, and then this is just a warm brown airbrush color. So I just take the top off here. So I'll just dip this in here, kind of take some off, and then just brush this barrel. And you could do it in a solid chocolate fondant if you wanted to, but it looks a lot better if you just do it with the food color. Might be a little messier, but it looks better. Get a little bit more of a variation in color. If I want it a little lighter, I can just add some water to it and almost brush it off. The nice thing is, see how it goes into the cracks? So it's darker in the little cracks of the barrel and then lighter on top. Again, if I just kind of take some more water. So at this point, I'm just brushing the rest on with water because I didn't want it to go too dark. So I'll just pop this right in the corner. And then go back over wherever I touched it. Okay, and this is so funny. I have some of the brown on my hands. I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to kind of rough this up a little bit. This was again done with the white fondant in one of the molds. And we'll put this one